Yo, so today we're gonna hit a workout that I used to give my strength camp members. It's called Metabolic Surge. It comes from Nick Nielsen. There's a link down below to learn more about it. This is Metabolic Surge number 1. Part of the reason why I really like these workouts is because it's a combination of power, strength / bodybuilding or power building, and high intensity intervals in between each set. So here's how we're gonna do it. Begin with power cleans, 3 sets of 3. We're gonna go pretty heavy, but in between every set, we got 40 seconds of high intensity intervals. Basically, what Chris and I are gonna do is take a sprint around the island outside. You'll be able to see it, Dana will be able to capture a little bit of us sprinting. We're gonna take it around the island, come back, bang, 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 3 sets of 3. Then we go to dumbbell bench press, 3 sets of 6. Dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 6. Front squats, 2 sets of 5. Deadlift, 2 sets of 5. All of these sets include a 40-second high intensity interval. So I love it because it's strength, it's power, it's bodybuilding, and there's an element of athleticism because we got to sprint. Part of the reason why I'm doing this workout this week is because I don't want to be sore. I filled up on glycogen last night. I had brown rice grits. I'm feeling swole, feeling strong. Want to burn myself out. So let's hit it up. Just gotta keep going. Power reserves. Tapped. Doing shit I'm not used to. Always gotta do shit you're not used to. I'm gonna go run. Be able to get this up myself. It's one of those moments I gotta lean on the most high. I'm not high enough. Easy to do shit you're good at. Every once in a while you gotta throw in the fucking wild card. Some shit you know you're gonna crap the bed on. That's how you know you're still alive. You don't know if you're alive if there's no stimulation. You could get caught in a rut that you fall in love with. Just because you're good at something don't mean it can't become a rut. You keep doing the shit you're good at, that's nice, but you gotta break out and create new pathways to excellence. That means challenging yourself with shit you hate or shit you're just not designed to do well. Challenge yourself. You can do anything if you can overcome the resistance. Be it mental or physical resistance. It's your job as a king to overcome.